Let's take the mystery out of cryptocurrency investment. In this course, where we start with actually telling you what cryptocurrencies are, what digital assets are, we then take you on to actually being able to own these without having to use a middleman and the dangers that are inherent with having to use a middleman. I've developed a comprehensive, practical course in digital asset investment that enables you to invest in this incredible new technology. As with all new technologies, the user-friendliness is not all there. It's really open to scammers who want to take advantage of lack of knowledge. And this course is designed to address all of those issues. The essence of this course is practical knowledge, that you practically know what you're doing, how you're doing it, and that you yourself can go and invest in these assets without having to use a middleman. You have direct ownership and you control the assets yourself. You may have tried to buy cryptocurrencies recently and you pull your hair out like I seem to have done. It is just so complicated and not user-friendly at all. For example, trying to buy cryptocurrencies on one of the largest exchanges in the world. Let me show you what it looks like. You come across to KuCoin and look at the options open to you. Fast trade, P2P, third party, markets, trading, spot trading, margin trading, derivatives. It's really a minefield. In this course, we're going to actually show you how to physically buy currencies on the exchanges. Buying cryptocurrencies is not like regular online purchasing. There's no store, there's no basket, there's no checkout. It's not like that at all. I'm going to show you not only how to get in the door, but to get to the right department and walk away with your currencies. You may be asking yourself, is this course really necessary? And the answer is no. It's not necessary if you're prepared to put in the hours and hours and hours of YouTube explainer videos, of tutorials, and so on. It's really difficult to even get started. Please note, in this course, we are not going to try and sell you cryptocurrencies. We're not going to ask you for any money so that we could buy you cryptocurrencies. And we're not going to teach you how to become a cryptocurrency trader. That's not what we're doing here. In this course, we're going to teach you how to choose your assets, how to buy them, and then how to hold them safely, and build a portfolio of assets that grows with time. Just today, I saw a tweet that said 11 years ago, Bitcoin was $1 for the first time. It hit the $1 mark. It's currently trading at about $30,000. I'm going to show you how to avoid the roller coaster ride of price action. I'm going to help you see through the clutter. We're going to help you avoid the con artists and the scammers. And we're going to give you the tools to build your own portfolio. The number one reason why people lose money in cryptocurrencies is they don't really understand what's going on. They don't know what the currencies are. And as a result, they either jump in and make some mistakes, or else they rely on a third party to do it for them. And that's where the scammers come in. They aim at those people who would rather have somebody else do it for them. I know a very educated person. She's a professional at what she does, and she got involved in cryptocurrencies a few years back. She signed up with a company that she invested money in every month, and she invested in a mining operation, a Bitcoin mining operation, and they would mine Bitcoin and then they would reinvest those Bitcoin and give her a return. And she got spreadsheets every month telling her how much money she was making. And the last time she ever told me her balance, she was approaching 2 Bitcoin. And then just recently I said to her, how's your Bitcoin doing? And she says, it was a scam. And we don't want you to be scammed. We want to show you how to avoid those things. She lost over R1 million. So in summary, this course is step by step. It assumes that you know nothing about cryptocurrencies and then builds on that. This course can be done at your own pace, and if you're in a hurry, you can be up and running with your own strategy and your own plan and actually buying assets within 2 or 3 days. The course consists of 3 modules comprising of 15 video lessons, and every video lesson has a write-up and a place for comments and questions. And we encourage you, when you're doing the course, to ask your questions and read other people's questions and answers. And where we can't answer a question in the comment section because it might be too complex, we'll actually add videos. So the course allows us to add videos as we go. So that makes us a very interactive, dynamic course based on your input. This course is going to save you masses of time in educating yourself. It's going to save you masses of money in mistakes that you don't make and help you to build your wealth so that you can reach that place of financial freedom. And along the way, we're going to show you how to avoid the pitfalls, avoid the scamsters, avoid the con artists. and make sure that your portfolio is held safely. If you're doing this course in 2022, you are way ahead of the curve. Only 3.9% of the world's population own cryptocurrencies. So the idea is to get in early, and then as the mass adoption arrives, your assets will grow with that. So get in early, invest properly, build your portfolio, and reach financial freedom as soon as you can.